They say time changes everything. But try telling that to a pet who hasn't seen their owner in years.
Oh, wow. Where have you been?
Today's compilation is an emotional roller coaster.
You want to take some hugs to go?
But it's definitely worth watching. This man adopted the dog that served him during deployment. Doggos found a home and someone to rely on its whole life. Now that's what you call an honorable discharge. Sometimes change is for the better, but this dog took a while to realize this.
Hey, you hush up. Come here, please.
After its owner got sick and lost weight, a sniff was required to connect the dots.
Where you being, Daddy? Where you being?
Kermie the dog passed away from sickness, but it had clearly been her last wish to reunite with Dad, who was deployed. This was the most bittersweet reunion, but one they'd all remember for a lifetime.
Beautiful smoke.
Hi, baby. Hi. I love you. I love you. Mwah.
After a chimpanzee came down with depression, his caretakers decided to reunite him with his first zookeepers.
Puppy, hi.
Let's just say that chimp is thriving as one can.
Puppy, hi.
Hey, money.
Hi, puppy.
Hey, money.
Hi, puppy. Lindo. Stop. Oh my God.
An emotional moment when Oliver, the domestic cat, returns home after wandering off hours before.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Roxy is never going to let Oliver go. When you've got a goose pal like this, you won't mess with this grandma, and this is after they'd been apart for months. That's impenetrable defense.
It's my dream. You're running short. It's my dream. Come here, my girl. Come here, my girl. Come on, Chloe. Come on, Chloe.
She missed her cat so much, she literally dreamed of their reunion.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Come on.
And then 7 days later, her dream finally turned to reality.
You can't tell it's my dream. You're running short. It's my dream. Come here, my girl.
Come on,
Come on, Chloe.
Come on. Come on. Kita.
How to summon a prehistoric apex predator like a dog, treat it with love and warmth, and it'll happen on its own.
Chiquita. Come here, girl.
A real-life epilogue of the ugly duckling. This swan appeared at his doorstep, injured and whimpering, and his kindness won its heart. And now, when he returns to the barn after months, this is what happens.
Вот так. Скоро тебе приведем кого-нибудь. Вот так вот. Эй, ну-ка. Дерутся. Вот.
Nothing to see here. Just a woman being welcomed home by her pet goose. That week apart must have felt like a decade to that goose.
That is the sweetest thing I've ever seen.
These parents surprised their daughter with a dog she had been caring for at a shelter. It's clear he hasn't forgotten her kind pets.
They got it.
Oh, baby.
Now, this is the most loving house on the planet.
Daddy, you do it. I'm not doing it.
You can tell by the way they react when she finally gets home after weeks spent on vacation.
Here they come running. Can you record my interaction with them?
Here's another look at Gabriel, clearly missing his favorite human after months apart. Goes to show what animals are truly capable of.
I'm supposed to have favorites, so I got favorites. My favorite cheetah.
12 years spent with Rebecca and then spending 2 whole years without seeing her. This is Casey the dog's reaction when her favorite human finally returns home.
I think someone really likes it.
Almost all hope lost when Mitzi the Jack Russell disappeared from her home. But Alan Whitten didn't give up and literally dug up his hope.
Stick a lead on her straight away. Stick a lead.
Baldo! Hola! ¿Qué pasa? Hola! ¿Dónde está?
You'll get emotional watching this donkey reunite with the man who raised it.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Dónde está mi burrilla? ¿Dónde está?
After spending 2 whole months without each other.
Baldo! Hola! ¿Qué pasa? Hola! ¿Dónde está?
Who is it? Oh my God. Who is it?
Words can't express how this dog feels when his owner finally comes home from a trip, but excited squeals can.
Who is it?
Georgie.
This is the moment Georgie Bereziani found the pup of his life. After Jorge had been missing for 3 years, even men will tear up over this. Jupiter was once part of a circus, but Anna Julia couldn't see him be mistreated and rescued the lion. And although this was a year after the rescue, Jupiter's reaction proves animals have emotions too. Cuddled by a bear, every animal lover's dream. Jimbo, the 1,400-pound bear, was born in captivity, but being rescued and loved by Jim changed its fate. I can't imagine going without my dog for 5 days, let alone 5 years. So this really is the reunion of a lifetime. The poor woman.
It was, yeah. He's so beautiful. So happy to have my baby back. I need to find Brandon.
Just 2 days spent alone in the cold, searching for their human, and now this doggo is clearly never going to let go of her ever again.
It's okay. Are you okay?
I'm just worried because he's crying. I hope he's not hurt. He does that way. Does he?
Dog thieves deserve a special spot in hell. Don't even bother changing my mind, because look at this stolen dog's reaction when he finally finds his real owner.
Let me get you something.
Watch Chewbacca's dog meet his owners after spending weeks in the cold after meeting a car accident. They might have lost a car, but they'll never lose their good boy.
Oh.
Ever seen a big cat forego all the rules of nature and physics to cuddle up with a man? Well, this is what happens when you rescue a lion and meet months later. The best danger uppies if I've ever seen one, all because she rescued and raised them for a while before ensuring they'd have the most loving place to grow up.
Letting go.
Oh, to be loved enough to summon a whole army of elephants at one call. This is Derek, an elephant rescuer who's clearly done his job, because this is how the clan returns to him, even though it's been months since he last visited them. I'm not crying, my eyes are just sweaty. Watch this little boy greet the feline he thought had gotten lost, but returned home timely enough for some treats and cuddles.
Ja, men väldigt fin. Är du glad?
After the tragedy in Beirut, a woman lost her home. But despite all the tragic outcomes, there was one she cried over the most. Until she finally met Mr. Whiskers, rescued despite all odds. This is the moment Mama, the 60-year-old chimp, meets her caretaker after years. Although she's sick, she mustered enough to greet him like an old friend. It's enough to make a grown man cry. A shepherd raised a camel for years until it was finally ready to explore the dunes on its own. But the slightest hint of the shepherd's return after a year, and the camel is clearly humped at the prospect.
Come on! Oh, come on!
That is 20,000 plus pounds of pure love running his way after he spent years nurturing and earning their trust. The elephant herd always comes thundering at his one call. Cats and dogs aren't the only emotional ones. Here's a horse seeing its owner for the first time in 3 weeks. That nuzzle tells you all there is to neigh.
Glad to hear your purr. Oh, I'm so glad to hear your purr. Yeah, we're gonna sit down there. That's how we used to do. Remember that?
Gabriel the cheetah was hurt and afraid before being taken in by Dolph Volker, who enabled the cat to return home. And 2.5 years later, Volker wondered if the cat would remember his kindness.
Yeah. Your ticks, I got ticks on you. Let him do all the interaction, all the action. Pretty quick. Yeah. Remember me, buddy?
Quibi was a baby when it first came into Damien's care. The next 5 years were spent with love before Damien decided Quibi was ready to go home. Fast forward another 5 years, and Damien yearned to see Quibi, who still remembered his voice. Bet you've never seen a kangaroo cuddle up this close, but when you spend a few years nurturing them with kindness, this is the reaction when you finally reunite after months.
Pouch. Can I get in my pouch? Can I get in my pouch? It was the best hug ever. It was better than even the first one.
Listen to me carefully. Put the dog down. Put the dog down. Put the dog.
That's baby boy. Hey, boy. Hey, baby boy.
Madam.
Hey, man.
Madam, listen to me carefully. Put the dog down. Put the dog down.
Judge Judy usually never lets anyone decide the verdict, except in this case, when a dog told everyone who its real owner was.
Hey, baby boy. Oh.
That's all. Take the dog home.
Parties are excused. You may step out.
When Alpha doesn't make sense, until it does. This woman kept those wolves fed and warm throughout the Siberian winters and pays dearly whenever she steps out in the snow. This girl spent some fine years raising the donkey. And when she finally decided to check up on him after years, you can tell she was dearly missed. Meet Don, a fox that just can't be wild. And it's all thanks to Jeff, who spent a while raising her before sending her to a sanctuary. He may have aged, but he's still Don's Jeff. This looks terrifying. Until you realize the tiger has finally sniffed out the man that raised it as a cub.
Oh, good girl.
This is a real-life Tarzan situation if I've ever seen one, minus the bad ending.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Ever seen a lizard greet someone like a dog? That's what happens when you pour a lot of love and care into raising one as your own.
Huh? Are you glad I'm home? Huh? Are you? Are you hungry? Good.
Every day home spent like this.
Come on, buddy. Huh? Are you glad I'm home? Huh? Are you?
This is unbelievable. A condor hugging a rancher who saved its life.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Qué lindo. Qué lindo.
The care may have lasted a few days, but it created a bond that won't go away for a lifetime. When you've got a whole pride greeting you like that, you know you've truly got a heart of gold. Wait for the king's reaction. If you know what a 15-pound tabby's headbutt feels like, imagine what a 500-pound one would feel like. Kevin Richardson doesn't need to imagine to know. Would a lion forget its trainer after a couple of years apart? Let's see. That pounce tells you how he must have treated the animals around him. You might not want sandpaper kisses, but for this clouded leopard, it was the only way to convey its love after being rescued by this very man.
Yeah. Oh yes, please give me kisses. Thank you.
A DUI almost took them apart, but when he finally came back home, it was like not a day had passed. Imagine losing your beloved for 7 years and giving up hope before you finally reunite.
Oh my goodness.
Unbelievable.
This might explain why this man can't stop crying when his kitty comes back.
I don't think we've never had anything, I don't even know what to say.